Oh no! Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
Oh, looks like I picked the wrong week to quit smoking. Oh.
Passengers may not make it. Death toll, the flight may crash. There's a sale at Penny's!
Oh, look like I picked the wrong week to quit drinking. Oh.
Oh no! The fog's getting thicker.
And Leon's getting larger.
Johnny, the report just came in. What can you make of this?
This? I can make a hat. I can make a brooch. I can make a pterodactyl. Oh, looks like I picked the wrong week to stop sniffing glue.